Hello student, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study Secretarial Practice Subject chapter number 6 Correspondence with Members. In this lecture we are going to study second way of payment dividend, electronic payment of interim dividend, payment through ECS or NEFT. Interim dividend paid by electronic mode. On the top of the letter write down the heading in the middle of the page. Heading, that is name and address of the company. Guru Sai Auto Limited is the name of the company. Below that write down the address. Registered office 31 Tulsi Complex, Lodi Road, Camp, Pune 411001. If any additional information is available, then write down below that CIN L40103MH 1999 PLC 300477. After writing the heading of the letter, on the left hand side write down the reference number, on the right hand side write down date of the letter. On the left hand side, phone number if it is available, fax number, reference number. On the right hand side, website if it is available, email ID if it is available, and write down the date of the letter on which letter will be write down by the secretary. Date 3rd June 2019. After writing the reference number and date, on the left hand side write down the inside address. (411.030). After writing the inside address, write down the subject. Payment of interim dividend through electronic clearing service ECS, that is ECS, direct credit or NEFT. After writing the subject, on the left hand side write down the salutation. Dear sir or respected sir, put a comma, write down the main body of the letter. We are pleased to inform you that the Board of Directors of Guru Sai Auto Limited in its meeting held on Thursday 28th May 2019 has declared interim dividend at rupees 1, that is 10% per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each. As per the instructions given by you, either in person or through depository participant, we have remitted the amount of aforesaid interim dividend to your banker for crediting your bank account. That is, dividend will be payable by electronic transfer. Here the way of payment of dividend will be mentioned. Electronic transfer is the way of payment of dividend. Your company has complied with all the provisions relating to declaration and payment of dividend. Details of dividend payable to you are given below. In the first column, write down the number of equity shares held on second column. Dividend per share is rupees 1. So 500 multiplied by 1. In the third column, dividend amount rupees 500. Fourth column, DPID and client ID number if it is available. Client ID 120332000747905. In the fifth column, date of remittance 6 June 2019. In the sixth column, bank account, name of the bank, Bank of Baroda 565600022105, Bank of Baroda. Please verify the credit of amount in your passbook or statement of account. As per the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961, no tax is required to be deducted at source in respect of dividend payment, but dividend distributed tax has been paid by the company. After writing the main body of the letter, complimentary clause, that is thanking you, yours faithfully, for Guru Sai Auto Limited, signature of secretary Mr. Jitesh M. Gandhi, company secretary. There is no enclosure, so after writing the complimentary clause, letter will be completed. So today we studied how to write letter for the payment of dividend through ECS or NEFT. In the next lecture, we are going to study how to write letter for issue of bonus shares. Till then,